Man, it's transsexual. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? How much for sex?
You know it's a transvestite service?
Huh? You're transsexual.
Are you looking for a female?
Transsexual. I want transsexual.
A woman?
Transsexual. Transsexual, you know, man to woman, you know, that type of thing.
Oh,
You know.
I'm a transsexual. I'm a transsexual. I'm not a transsexual. I'm a transvestite.
So, what's the difference?
The difference is that transsexual had an operation. I haven't.
Oh, so which means you still got your cock.
I still have a penis, yes.
Well, as long as you keep the cock away from me, there'll be no problem.
Yeah.
You remember? Just get tape, tie your cock to your belly, and let me come and fuck you.
That's it, yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay then, how much then?
This is 40.
£340?
No, 40.
£40 for sex?
For an hour, yes.
For £40 for 1 hour.
Good.
What about your breasts? Do you have good breasts?
I start breasts, yes.
And when did you get them done?
Oh, some years ago.
You got your breasts 20 years ago. How old are you?
Not 20 years ago.
When?
No, it doesn't matter when. You would have to ring another number.
How old are you? Darling, how old are you?
I'm 34.
You're 34? Okay, anyway, where are you? I'll come to you right now.
You really can't come right now.
Why not?
Everything's on appointment. Everything is on appointment.
Can I book an appointment for tomorrow?
Yeah, ring tomorrow.
No, I book it from now then tomorrow. I give you £50 if you book an appointment tomorrow.
Yeah, everything tomorrow. Ring tomorrow. Tomorrow's appointment tomorrow.
How much? If I ring tomorrow, do I get a discount?
If you ring tomorrow, I can see what I can do.
Do I get a discount?
Thank you. Yes,
Okay.
okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.